Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and setup of my new PS4 dual controllers. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for reviews. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. So I actually don't have a PS5 yet, so I still have my PS4. I could always have an extra set of remotes. So two of the micro cables for them. All right, here's this one. Very cool. And here is the other one. I want to show, like, it's got all the other options. So, like, you plug in your headset here. It's got all the same features on it, like here. Same thing, plug it up in here. Feels about the same size. The buttons feel right. Let's go ahead and actually hook it up and see how it works once we actually hook it up. First, I just did want to show you how simple it was to pair it to my PS4. As you can see, I literally just plugged it in. I hit that PS button on there and it connected automatically and you are ready to go. Now let's jump into a quick game to check it out. The controls are responsive and you can really feel it when you play. The new chip technology makes it so there is no lag and the buttons are very sensitive while the joysticks feel smooth and precise. The dual vibration motors add another level of immersion, which really enhances the gaming experience. Like I said, you've also got that 3.5mm audio jack so you can connect your headphones or your gaming headset. The other thing I liked about them was that the battery gives them up to 16 hours of playtime, so no worries about it dying mid-game. Overall, it was easy to connect, performed very smoothly, and that long-lasting battery keeps you playing even longer. So if you guys are looking for a new set of PS4 controllers, definitely look into these. I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend.